Hey guys, welcome back to Here We Mow again. I'm Jeff and this is Billy. So a week ago I put down the 7020 Stress Blend and I wanted to review the results with you guys and see how it came out. So let's go take a look. Alright, so like I said, a week ago I put down the 7020 Yard Mastery Stress Blend on my lawn. We had about a week where we had upper 90s weather and we had very, very hot and humid conditions, and the lawn really started to show stress. Now since then, we've had quite a bit of rain, but the Stress Blend definitely benefited the lawn. So just to recap what's in that bag of Stress Blend, and I'll put a picture up on the screen so you guys can see, but it's 7% nitrogen, so it did help with a little top growth, but not much. We didn't see a flush of growth. No phos, and 20% of the potassium. So again, potassium is really good for the overall health of the lawn, the health of the grass. It helps with nutrient uptake, water retention, and disease and pest resistance. The bag also has Bionite in it, which is similar to Milorganite, and I like that. It's good for your lawn, it's good for your health, the health of the soil. So let's take a look and see how the grass is looking and see what improvements we've made. All right, so I can tell right away that my grass has definitely grown a little bit. It's definitely grown more in the last week than it has in prior weeks. Now that could also be because we got a lot of rain in the past week, but it's also looking more green. Okay, so here's a shot of the yard from the same spot that I took the last shot, and I did focus on this spot last time because this really showed an area that had extra stress. And there's a spot in my lawn that every year it kind of burns out. I think I mentioned this last time, that the soil underneath really only has, 2 inches, maybe 3 of topsoil tops, and then it's pure sand underneath. So this is the furthest spot away from the house, and I think they just kind of ran out of topsoil when they graded it. So what I'm going to do this year is start spreading compost on here, half inch at a time, to try to improve that soil. But take a look at this. Take a look at the improvement here. And I'll try to put up a before picture as well. I mean, this definitely is still not perfect. There's still some patchy areas in here, but wow, this is a huge improvement over what it was just a week ago. So here's another shot of that area right in the back here. It's definitely looking a heck of a lot better. So this shows me that the potassium definitely works in this bag of Stress Blend. And I want you guys to take a look over here. Look at how green and lush this lawn is now. I mean, my lawn's always been very healthy and lush anyways, but this Stress Blend really turned up the dial. We're gonna go in front so I can show you the front section, because that's even better. Okay, so this is a shot of the front yard. Now I didn't really have stress problems in the front. It did show a little sign of stress, but wow, in the past week, this is greened up a lot more than it had been. It looks a little thicker, and I could just tell that it looks healthier. All right, so this area is the last area that I applied the Stress Blend to, and I actually started to run a little low, so this got a lighter dose. And you can see this area still looks green and lush, although there are still some signs of stress. So what that tells me is that the product is working, it just maybe needs a little higher of an application. So in this area, we went a little lighter. It wasn't quite 3 pounds per thousand, maybe it was 2 pounds or so. So another dose here definitely would not hurt, but it does show that it is working. I haven't cut the lawn yet, so we're gonna do that next. That way we can lay down some nice stripes, and then we'll see how this looks afterwards. So let's go give it a quick trim. Oh, I almost forgot one thing. I'm sexy and I mow it. I work out. I'm sexy and I mow it, I work out. All right, so I just finished mowing, and take a look at these stripes. This lawn isn't showing stressed anymore. So if there's any question about whether the Stress Blend works or not, I think this is proof. Well, there's no question in my mind that Stress Blend definitely worked on my lawn, and I think it will on yours too. There's links down below for the product. I highly encourage you to buy this. It made a huge difference in my lawn. I don't think my lawn has ever looked this great in July. Also, take a look at the prior video when I first applied Stress Blend. It has some great information on it. All right, guys. Well, thanks so much for joining me for another episode of Here We Mow Again. I'm Jeff, and this is Billy. Please thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn the bell icon notification on so you get all future notifications. We're going to have some more exciting videos to come. Thanks so much. Look forward to seeing you guys again soon.